Hello guys, this is P. Jyoti Swarup. Welcome to my channel Study with PJs. Okay, today in this video we are going to discuss about chemistry chapter 2, that is chemical bonding. Let us see what are the topics in this chapter. They are chemical bond, what is chemical bond, an atom, types of elements, chemical combination, and the main point is chemical bond. Here there are three types of bond: electrovalent bond, covalent bond, and coordinate bond. So coordinate bond is not there in our last year syllabus, but these two are mentioned and we have already learned about these two, and this is a new topic in our class 10th ICSE syllabus. So now let us understand these topics one by one. First, what is chemical bond? Chemical bond is the force which holds two or more atoms together in stable molecule. Okay, that is chemical bond. Now, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest unit of a matter taking part in a chemical reaction. It builds up subatomic particles such as protons, neutrons, and electrons. Okay, that is about atom. Now, coming to the types of elements. What are the types of elements? The types of elements are metallic and non-metallic. First, what is metallic element and what is non-metallic element? Okay, so here metallic element have 1, 2, 3 electrons in valency, which means they have one. Okay, they have 1, 2, 3 electrons in its outermost shell. Okay, that is called metallic element. Now coming to the non-metallic elements, they have 4, 5, 6 and 7. What is this? They have this valency, which means they have 4, 5, 6 or 7 electrons in its outermost shell. These metallic elements are positively charged and these are negatively charged. Okay, they have tendency to lose electrons and they have tendency to gain electrons. Okay, so these are positively charged cations which are ready to lose electrons to get stable configuration, and these are negatively charged non-metals or anions which have tendency to gain electrons to get stable configuration. Okay, so we have completed with the chemical bond, an atom. Okay, chemical bond, an atom, types of element. Now coming to the chemical combination. Here, what is chemical combination? Okay, so chemical combination, atoms combine to form a molecule by two means. What are those? Transfer of valence electron from metallic to non-metallic. Okay, from metallic to non-metallic, or sharing of valence electron between two atoms. Okay, so we will learn about them detail for further understanding our lesson. So we have also completed with a chemical combination. Now I will show an example for your better understanding. In our previous video we have already learned about periodic table and periods and groups. So here there are 20 elements arranged in periods and groups with the dot structure. Okay, with the dot structure. So let us see hydrogen. Here this is the atomic number of the elements. If you can see, this is sodium, atomic number 11, aluminium, atomic number 13, hydrogen, atomic number 1. Okay, and this is the symbol of the element: hydrogen H, boron B, nitrogen N, and this is the element name, which you can see: hydrogen, helium, beryllium, magnesium, etc. So here the atomic number is equals to number of protons and number of electrons in an element. Okay, so if you take hydrogen, the atomic number is 1, so absolutely the number of electrons and number of protons also will be 1. Okay, so this is the mass number. Okay, this is the mass number of hydrogen. The mass number of hydrogen is 1. The mass number of aluminium 27. The mass number of neon 20. The mass number of sulfur is 32. Okay, such a way. Next, these are the number of protons and number of neutrons. Neutrons will be 0 for nitrogen. Okay, so protons are 1. Okay, here the atomic number is 1, the protons will be 1. Atomic number 3, protons number 3. As we have already saw that number of electrons is equals to number of protons is equals to atomic number. So here hydrogen atomic number is 1, so the proton number is also 1. And here the neutrons are 0, here the neutrons are 4, here the neutrons are 12. Okay, now this is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of H is 1, means the number of electrons containing in shell number 1, in the K shell are 1. The electrons containing in L shell are 0, because these hydrogen is having only one shell. So if you see aluminium, it has KLM, 3 shells. So electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the electronic configuration of aluminium is 2, 8 and 3. The electronic configuration is nothing but number of electrons present in number of shells of an element. I hope you have understood. Moving to the chemical bond and types of chemical bond. First we will learn about electrovalent bond. What is electrovalent bond? Okay, so electrovalent bond means the transfer of valence electrons from one atom to another. Okay, but here metallic atom loses electron, non-metallic atom gains electron. Okay, so the ions participating are cations and anions. See here in electrovalent bond. Okay, see in electrovalent bond, metallic character gives, okay, metallic character have tendency to lose electron. Okay, and non-metallic character, okay, non-metallic character takes electron, that they have tendency to gain electron. This is called electrovalent bond, means here the metallic atom gives electron and non-metallic atom gains electron. Okay, and the ions participating here are cations and anions. Okay, this is a cation. Okay, this metallic character is a cation which have positively charged and gives electrons, and these are anions which are negatively charged and takes electrons. Okay, here again in electrovalent bond is also known as ionic bond. Okay, ionic bond. And again in electrovalent bond there are two types of bond. What are those? They are oxidization and reduction. Okay, one is oxidization and next one is reduction. What is oxidization? Oxidization is the process of gaining of electrons to get stable configuration. Reduction is the process of losing of electrons to get stable configuration. Okay, oxidization is done the among non-metallic elements, and reduction is done among the metallic elements. Okay, that is about electrovalent bond. Now we will take an example of electrovalent bond, that is NaCl, that is sodium chloride. Okay, here sodium is an metallic character, which means which gives electron or which have tendency to lose electron and is a cation having positively charged. and Cl, that is chlorine, is a non-metallic element which have tendency to gain or take electrons. It is an anion and which is negatively charged. Okay, now take Na. So what is the atomic number of Na? It is 11. What is its electronic configuration? It is 2 8 1. Now coming to the chlorine, what is its atomic number? It is 17. What is its electronic configuration? 2 8 7. Okay, now see, what is the nearest inert gas of Na? What is the nearest inert gas of Na? It is neon. Okay, so it need to lose one electron to get stable configuration of neon. Now coming to the chlorine, what is the nearest noble gas of chlorine? That is argon. So it need to gain one electron to get a stable configuration. So this Na gives one electron to Cl. So Na becomes 2 8 and Cl becomes 2 8 8. So there is a chemical bond called NaCl formed. Okay, this is called electrovalent bond, a metallic character giving electron to non-metallic character, sodium giving to chlorine. Okay, see here, Na have 1 electron in its outermost shell and Cl have 7 electrons in its outermost shell. By giving this 1 electron to Cl, Na becomes 1 plus and Cl becomes 1 minus. Then the bond formed is NaCl. You can also see here the dot structure of NaCl. The Na is giving electron to Cl, and there is a bond called NaCl. That's it guys for today. There are two another examples of electrovalent bond which we will discuss in our next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video.